all I gotta do is move it a little bit and he starts having a meltdown. This is actually funny. It's closer! You can get it! Oh, I gotta be careful. When this drone flies, it loses altitude. I gotta be real careful with him because he's a jumper. Whoa, that's really close to me. Dude, this guy's going nuts. I'm going the wrong way. What a crazy dog. Mary, you can get it! Oof. Huh. Dang, it keeps falling down. It's making me nervous. I could play with him with this all day. What a dork. Dude, what are you doing? Why is it going down? This drone's sketch, bro. It goes up and down. Stay up. Thank you. Oh, it's gonna kill me. I think this has a stabilization problem. All I'm doing is moving this drone. All right, once it gets stable, I'm only moving it left or right. It keeps moving position. I go where this, oh shoot, it just dropped. That was close. Oh, it's almost dead on battery already. That did not last long. Okay, buddy, come here. Come here. Come here. I don't want you to kill it. Nope. Come here. Come here. You had your fun. You had your fun. Come here. No, come here. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Good boy. Good boy. I know you want to kill that thing, but if you kill it, it'll break. No. He can't resist this stupid drone. I'm gonna run out of battery power and he's gonna demolish it. Watch this action. Oh, maybe I can get it low enough that I can grab it. I think I'm gonna have to do that. Oh, dude, he's foaming at the mouth. Buddy, that's my toy. No, that's just my toy. All right, I'm gonna have to grab it. Will it move away from me? Don't bite me. No. I'm gonna go down a little more. Whoa, that's in my face.